Hi, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, bringing you another law of attraction metaphysical lesson from the girl next door. Today I want to speak to you about how I manifest money using mirror work. Yes, how I manifest money using mirror work. You're probably saying, Yvette, there's a lot of people on YouTube talking about how they manifest money and talking about mirror work. What makes your video different from the rest? Well, if you watch my videos before, I keep it real with everyone out there. And to help everybody make their dreams come true and learn how to live their life the way they ought to be living it. So, what makes my video different from the rest? Hold on, let me show you. It has a lot of scratch outs, so you guys can't follow what's going on in my life. There is some people out there, but if you look carefully, you will see right there on my pay stub, $22,000. Yes, don't jump out your seat, people. $22,000. Let me explain how this happened for me. It was very unexpected. I'm always doing my manifesting, being a deliberate creator, creating my life as I'm supposed to create it. But sometimes, no matter who you are, you're going to feel like something is not all the way there, like something's missing. So I said to myself, let me start working on myself. Let me do a little bit of mirror work on myself to try to release whatever it is in me that could be blocking me from manifesting certain things in my life. So if you watch my previous videos, you will see that I did do a video on mirror work that explains in details the steps that you should be taking. Let me explain to you right now what I did. As stated in my previous videos, talking to yourself, looking in your own eyes, apologizing for whatever has been done in the past and letting it go. Talking to yourself, knowing that you and God are one. Letting yourself know that you are deserving of everything that there is in life. So I would go into the bathroom every morning when I get up and I would say, hi Yvette, I love you. I love you. And at first it may seem stupid, or at first it may seem like, you're doing something crazy. But as you began to talk and to speak to yourself, I am beginning to love you. I love you. I really love you. We are deserving of everything that there is out there, no matter what. We are deserving of it. God and I are one. God is all. All my supply come from God. And God and I are one. So there is nothing that I can't have while I'm living this life. I got this, Yvette. I got this. And I would just keep talking to myself every day, starting off with, I am beginning to love you. The next day or two, 3 days later, I love you. The next 3, 4 days, week later, I love you more and more every day, Yvette. A week and a half, 2 weeks later, 3 weeks later, we are deserving of everything that there is. We are deserving of it. Anyone out there that has something, we are deserving of that and more, is based on how we believe or interpret ourselves to be. You understand what I'm saying? So I kept doing this. Within a couple of weeks, I went to the mailbox and I looked at my check stub because I get direct deposit, and I said, oh, they paid us for extra service that we did that they were owing us. And I didn't think nothing of it. I was like, wow, okay, we got our money. They gave it to us in bulk and they taxed us. Oh my God. I got in the car, I drove off, and I said, I'm not owed $22,000. I'm not owed $22,000 from anyone. So I looked at the paper again, and it didn't say extra service. Extra service was actually there. It was actually already there stating extra service. And it had nothing to do with the money that I got. So I said, where did this money come from? It said retro pay. $22,000? You know what? I'm not questioning it. Thank you, God. I love you, Yvette. I love you, God. And I just said, thank you. I paid some money down on a bill. I had an event that's going on, and it ended up being a little bigger than what I expected. I'm using the money for that. And I just say every day, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, Yvette. Thank you. Thank you, Yvette. Thank you. The money came from nowhere. Today, right now, I have no idea where this money came from. I just know that it happened at the time that I was doing mirror work, asking God to release anything that's within me that needed to be forgiven, needed to be allowed to let go. And when I looked into my eyes and I said, Yvette, we are deserving of everything that is due to us. I just spoke to myself. Every day it was different, but it was on the same page, but it was more like, we are deserving of everything, Yvette. I got this. The next day it may have been, Yvette, we are deserving of everything that's owed to us. I got this. I'm going to handle it. Anything that is owed to us, I'm releasing any blockages, anything that I have inside of me that is stopping us from living the life we're supposed to live. You and I are one. You and I and God are one. We're all the same person. We are deserving of everything that there is. I am so sorry that any deep feelings that I have inside of me is stopping us from manifest. But at this moment right now, I'm letting it go. And we're moving on. I love you. I truly love you. Yvette, I love you. And it's time now for everything to let go. These are the things that I did in the mirror before that $22,000 came to me out of the blue. Yes, it did come using mirror work. So listen, this video was on how I manifested money using mirror work. This is another law of attraction video, life coaching video. If you want to follow me at myworldofmetaphysics.com. You can also, if you want to buy some crystals or some jewelry, you can visit me at store.myworldofmetaphysics.com. Listen, people, I'm always here for you guys. And soon I will be doing some coaching of my own for you guys to help you guys out. But until then, keep watching me on YouTube. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Again, this video was on how I manifest money using mirror work. Blessings and namaste.